Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to start by getting both devices ready. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and sign into the same Google account so services align. Once done, open Settings on your phone and enable Nearby Share or Device Connection. This initiates discovery. Make sure Battery Saver is off and that both screens are unlocked. You're not just pairing hardware, you're authorizing data sync. This first step creates the secure channel over which contacts, calendar, and media will move. Now configure what you want to sync. On your phone, go to Accounts Google and toggle Contacts, Calendar, Drive, and App Data. Then open Google Photos and ensure device folders are selected for backup so images flow automatically. If you need messages, install and configure SMS backup tools, grant storage and notification permissions when prompted. Make sure sync frequency is set to automatic, otherwise you'll need to manually refresh. By selecting items precisely, you avoid duplications and keep bandwidth under control. To finish, verify sync completion in Settings accounts. Look for the last sync timestamp and force a manual sync if something's missing. Once done, open key apps on the tablet to confirm data presence. Contacts, calendar events, and recent photos should appear. If you run into problems, restart both devices, confirm storage and account quotas, and reauthorize permissions. A single troubleshooting tip: if items still fail, remove the Google account and re-add it. This often clears sync conflicts without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.